There he comes. Good boy. Hi, Shady. Good morning. Good morning, buddy. Good morning. Yeah. Or maybe just 8-10 feet away from the feeding area there. I don't think any other squirrel would have come with me sitting this close. This one, my favorite. Good morning, buddy. You are so beautiful. That jet black body and that tail. How did that happen? How did that happen? You're gorgeous. The heck is that noise? I don't know. Perfect. Perfect. Perfect little squirrel pose. Just like that. I don't know why he's so much bolder than any of the others, but I'm glad. Gonna show us that tail. Cardinal. And back to Shady. Uh-oh. Here comes Kiki and Coco wanting peanuts. Can you wait a minute, guys? They'll start pestering me if I don't give them to them. Oh, goodness gracious. Just a second.